Okay. Got our torque dialed in.
I'm gonna cook the mushroom.
That way, whenever I put that torch tip cleaner down in there, it doesn't just fall back in here and then get right back in your, you know what I mean? So.
I don't know if you can catch that, but that's the beans right there.
I can be a little bit of a perfectionist, so.
It'll probably make a lot more sense later on.
Yes,
but...
yes, yep.
Okay.
Yep. You to miss, my man. You to miss. Nice job, dude. We want to keep this throat square with this. We want to keep this ear square with this. We're focused on this edge this time versus the inner edge. Beautiful, beautiful. You gotta know what's tolerable, and that's tolerable. Make a better welder out of you yet, you know? Oh yeah. A little growth comes from a little challenge. Yeah. A lot of growth comes from a lot of challenge. Yeah, shove it in there, shove it in there.
All right, I have never touched, welded anything that forces me to be better as I have that.
Look at you go, brother man, look at you go. Hot diggity. Look at you go.